Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're making vegan omelets 3 ways. We have a spring omelet with cashew cream, a squash omelet with sriracha, and last but not least, a pizza omelet. You can choose to make them all for a big brunch or just pick one. They're all easy to make and super tasty. Let me know in the comments which omelet you would like to try. Now let's jump right into these recipes. This omelet batter makes enough for 3 omelets. I'm dividing them into 3 half cups. You can also save this batter in the fridge and you can use it the next day and it will be perfect for those busy mornings. In the small frying pan, I'm using an 8-inch pan. Melt some butter and pour in your omelet batter. Cook over medium to medium-high heat until the surface looks dry. Put a lid on top to help the cheese melt and then you're done. I like to top this omelet with my homemade cashew cream. You can get my recipe for that in the top right hand corner on this screen and I will also link it down below. This omelet is so good and super flavorful with this cashew cream. In a small pan, melt some butter, add your omelet batter, spread it out until it's an even layer, and cook until the surface is dry to the touch over medium to medium-high heat. Add some pizza sauce or pasta sauce, and then top it with your favorite pizza toppings. I'm placing my pizza omelet on a baking sheet. If your pan is oven safe, just go ahead and put the whole pan in the oven. This pizza omelet is very yummy. The crust of this is not crispy, so think of it as an omelet that has all the flavor of a pizza. I drizzled some sriracha sauce on top and then sprinkled some chopped green onions. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it gave you some ideas and inspiration to try making vegan omelets at home. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel and please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you make any of the recipes in this video, please take a photo and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your recreations and they always make my day. Here is an inside look at what the omelet looks like when it's cut. So cheesy and yummy. Here's a look at my Instagram where I post all my recipe and meal inspirations. Definitely check that out if you're interested. And I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!